and welcome back to Greenstone and Ivy. You're joining me today just as I'm about to start a large Northumberland Tiger Stripe Birdbath bowl. This is actually the last one I'll ever make of these with this stone. I've tried to buy some more of this stone over the last 18 months and not come close. I can buy stone from this quarry with beautiful pattern, but nothing the quality of this. So I bought enough of this 2 years ago now to make 10 of these Birdbath bowls, and I've kept it to one side and done it and sold them selectively, and this will be the last one I ever make. So I thought I'd do it justice and make a video and show you the Birdbath as it comes out. So this is a 600mm diameter by 100mm, beautiful Birdbath. It's going to be made and go sent to a nature reserve. The customer is at a nature reserve, so that's going to be its final place, which is nice. It's you'll really see the pattern as I'm making this. You'll really see the pattern come out, especially at the end when I wash it. It's going to be very noisy, it's going to be very dusty, there's going to be lots of chiseling, polishing and grinding. So I'm going to need my respirator on, I'm going to put my AirPods in, with some ear defenders. I've got a new audio book, the fans are going to be going, so bear with me. So I'll get all that on now and we'll start making. that's it, the final Northumberland bird bath's all finished up. It's turned out lovely, it's the final one. I'm happy with that. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.